everybody, welcome back to Lift Free and Tool On. If you watch my previous videos, I did an unboxing, I did an installation of the new Link system. This is the starter system. It comes with 2 rails, a few hooks, and it comes with a cradle basket that you can hang on the wall. Now that I've had it up for a week or so, I've had an opportunity to start organizing and start putting things in place, and I found that there's one big downfall. I'm going to have to buy all new hooks, all new attachments, all new everything, because, well, this is a different system. It's not universal. It's not a pegboard or anything like that, so it's a little frustrating. What I'm used to using are these tool mounts right here, and this is from unpluggedmounts.com, and they virtually fit. He sells virtually all mounts for all tools, but that's what I really like because you can lay them out and you can see where they're at. With Ryobi, you're going to have to buy all new hooks. You're going to have to buy the new storage systems where they hang. It's a little frustrating just because I've already invested so much money. I don't want to leave these other things I've already invested to kind of just wash down the drain. I just don't use them again. So I went over to the drawing board and I started sketching up a few ideas, and well, I came up with this. So what you are looking at is a universal mounting bracket for this system, and how it works is it latches in on this side, so it just slides right down in there. It clicks in, you mount whatever you want onto the face of it. Now, what that does is that allows you to have universal abilities to mount whatever you want to this wall, and that includes your old systems that you're currently using that you're really used to. So you replace your wall, save a little bit of time, save a little bit of money, but you can still use it. So the good idea that I had for this is I beefed it up just a little bit further, and I've mounted them together. So this one is a typical battery mount that I have, and I measured it out and it fits really well. They go on, they lock in, it's really tight. Now I'm just using an example for batteries, right? So you mount them in, but this can be virtually anything. You could even put your chargers up here. And one of my favorite, but really the most simple thing that I like to do is lay my tools out, and for my blades I like to lay them on the wall. If I need to take them and use them, I can take them away, put them in here, but listen to the snap. They do snap in place, and it is tight, so you don't see a lot of movement in there. So I designed these with smaller tolerances, so they do have to snap down inside. I wanted that because I didn't want it to be loose. That's not saying that this is perfect, but so I think everybody's got the point that I'm trying to say is that these allow for versatility, and the more versatility that you can have while organizing your shop and really trying to get things done, the better off you're going to be, and the more productivity that you're going to see. And I think the easier your days will go for sure. So if you guys are interested, or gals are interested in any of these, I'll put a link below. This is just a homegrown idea that I thought up, and I thought other people may benefit from it. So check the link out below. I'm going to try and make them as cheap as possible. So I appreciate everybody for watching. Please like, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, you know the drill. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.